Silver Linings Transitions is celebrating National Spring Cleaning Month at the end of the month with a very special couple of webinars. One will be all of the challenges of getting your home organized, and we are taking your questions so that we can address your headaches and hassles. One thing we'll definitely be discussing is going to be, what do you do with all of the email and the junk mail that comes in? So stay tuned and join us on March 22nd at 11 a.m. The link will be below. And I'm really excited about the one on March 25th when we talk about photo organizing. I don't know if you know this, but if you go to Google and you ask what are the things that someone is most likely to take in a house fire, they're going to be the laptops, photo albums, and jewelry. And we are going to talk about what you can do to organize and digitize your photos so they are safe. So hope you'll join us March 22nd at 11 and March 25th at 11.